Some of the most commonly referred to Tech Talk articles are the procedures to replace the timing chains on the Holden Alloytec V6 engines. This is due to the popularity of the engine and the tendency for the chains to stretch. It is important to understand the procedure before reassembly to avoid damaging the engine and wasting your time. These engines have 3 timing chains, one primary chain which drives the intermediate sprockets and 2 secondary chains which go to the camshafts on each bank. There is a set procedure that requires the secondary chains to be fitted in 2 stages, with the crankshaft aligned to 2 different timing marks. It is essential to read and follow the instructions for the 2 stages for the valve timing to be correct. There are also special alignment tools required to set the camshafts in the correct position. You should not attempt to do this job without them. From 2010, Holden updated these engines with direct injection. The timing chain procedure is the same, however different camshaft alignment tools are required. If the chains stretch, the vehicle will record various diagnostic trouble codes. However, you should check the alignment of the tone wheel on the crankshaft first, as this can come loose and move, which will set the same codes. Before replacing the timing chains, you must read the instructions and warnings, and you must time the engine in 2 stages. For the procedures to replace the timing chains on the Holden Alloytec V6, see the September 2009 issue of Tech Talk, log on to Tech Online, or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.